Completing a $50,000 AI audit for a client used to take me anywhere from 10 to 15 hours. You have to find all the information, you have to find quotes, you have to visualize the data with charts, you have to figure out the AI solutions and the pricing to go along with those solutions, and then finally build the complete AI transformation roadmap and presentation deck to give to them. Now I can do the exact same process in a single click. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how. So let's just dive right in. So I'm in a platform called Consultix, and over here on the strategy section is what we need. So in the strategy, it's going to end-to-end build our complete consulting deck. So we can create a new project up here. I'm just going to show you this quick example. So if I've got the company, I can do company research here. So I could type in whatever I wanted. So I can try google.com. It's going to go do deep company research. During the actual audit itself, if I want to generate surveys to ask questions, I can use it here to generate them too, and then generate interview questions, but most importantly, to actually add the transcript. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new project and we're actually going to do this together. I'm going to call it Metaflow 3. I'm going to come here and I've got a document with all of this test information. So I've got the company description because it's not a real company. So I'll put that in there, and then I'm going to come through to transcripts, and then I'm going to add each and every one of the transcripts. So I'm going to come down here and we're going to grab all of these. So I've now added in all of the transcript, and I'm going to click on the analysis tab here, and you can see you've got the reasoning and the AI analyst. So what I'm going to type in here is run the analysis, and you can now see all of the AI agents running through. So you can see it's got all the transcript, and this is now just going to work totally on our behalf. So it's going to do a full diagnostic analysis on this entire business. Now, something that's really important to note is Consultix has over 200 AI audits in it. So it has such a deep knowledge when it comes to how to structure the audits, how to find AI solutions, how to find the bottlenecks, how to price them, the hours, all that stuff. It has so much reliable data from doing so many of these. That's why it is able to produce such high quality outputs, regardless of essentially how experienced you or anybody else is, because it's using a pre-existing knowledge set. And this is what's so crazy, like no one else has this, like nobody. So you can see now it's starting to do all the cross-referencing. And this is going to take a few minutes to do. And then once we've done that, we're actually going to be able to generate the deck with it. So we can see now it's actually completed the analysis. And this is all just the code behind what's going on. So it's all the agents doing everything. And this is just little snippets that you can go through if you wanted to, but hey, I don't care. Then it's as simple as this. We click generate deck. That is our one click. Well, maybe I'll add it to, and we hit continue. Now these decks will take, 10, 30, 45 minutes because of how much it's doing. It's doing all of the analysis. It's finding the quotes. It's finding the opportunities. It's highlighting them. It's building all the charts, all the graphs. It's pricing everything. It's building the roadmap. It's doing so much work. So I hit continue on this and you will see it now starting to go through. So you can see it's calculating ROI. It's doing everything. And we can follow it live if we absolutely wanted to. Now, with the power of movie magic, I want to show you one that was actually done earlier. So this is a deck for the exact same company, and this is what it was able to produce, which is nothing short of absolutely incredible. So it's baked out roadmap here, highlight reel, sorry. We've got all the things it must do. We've got all these charts, graphs. We've got all the tables pre-built. We've got cost savings. We've got everything laid out, including all the charts and the opportunity matrix. Incredibly difficult to actually do and make look good, fully lined up and laid out there. We've got the full roadmap baked down to months and costs associated with everything, all totally done autonomously, taking this about 30 odd minutes, right? And then we can literally click download PowerPoint for all the changes. If you want to change numbers, there might be some little overlaps, things like that. It's super then easy to then edit and tweak it. The final stage is we can actually get it to then generate prototypes for us. So if we prompt it, it will generate prototypes here, and I can show you exactly what that looks like. So here is a different audit as well. And here are some of the prototypes that it recommended we build. So I can click on any of these and we can generate a prompt, and it will generate a lovable prompt to essentially build this demonstration for a client, which is just taking this to the next level, right? Because previously we generate these incredible decks, like McKinsey grade decks that are easily worth 15, 20, 30, 40,000, depending on the size of the company. Like now we're taking it to another level. Like all the quick wins, we're now able to build real lightweight demonstrations using Lovable to actually present these to the client. So I'm going to click build in Lovable. It's going to bring me over to my Lovable account and actually just start building this demonstration for me. So I select my account here and it's going to load it up. And we can see here, it's showing the exact prompt that came in, and these can change depending on depth, and we go back and forth with it. So let me show you a couple of the ones that had previously been built. So this is Property Pal. This was for a property management company. They were worried about lease tracking. So we had our AI build this demonstration that we were able to show them during the audit presentation, essentially. So we can see here, all of these features, we can click on it. It all works here. We've got full alerts. We've got analytics that they can visually see everything. Now, obviously, this is all either data that we got from the transcripts, or more like just demonstration data, but this allows them to visually see what the end product could actually look like for them. This is just absolutely insane. And if you are wanting to just go ahead and blow away companies, deliver McKinsey, Big Four grade AI consulting engagements, and then land yourself 6, even 7-figure implementations of contracts on the back end, then a platform like Consultix is going to enable you to do that in literally a few button clicks, it's so exciting. It's basically made the idea of running these very complex audits totally attainable to absolutely everybody. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to start your own AI consulting firm, first link in the description, and inside of that you will also get access to Consultix to actually deliver on all these promises, because we only just touched on the strategy section. It can do all your lead generation, everything else too. If you are a business and you would like us to audit your company, second link in the description. If you like videos like this, you will probably love this video up here. And if you do want an in-depth video on how to start your own AI consulting firm, check out this video up here.